Okay, this is a new kind of crazy. We just came back from a planet where we found these two Kinos near the gate. Both were out of power and their databanks were full. One had this message at the beginning.
If you found this, it's because a solar flare interfered with gate travel. And I managed to send this Kino back in time.
Seriously, both of these Kinos are actually from the future. Different timelines that haven't even happened yet. How awesome is that?
The recording shows some of us going to the planet and then getting attacked by the most disgusting creatures you've ever seen in your life and dying. It's gross. They burrow into you and then they just come bursting out.
All right, anyway, the thing is, apparently we all have a disease from the water that Colonel Young and I brought back from that ice planet. But in the future, we figured out that these creatures actually have some sort of healing properties.
So Colonel Young took a team through, including Lieutenant Scott here.
We were lucky as light out.
Yeah. And managed to capture a few of them before this whole solar flare thing happened.
You should really explain that whole thing.
You know what, actually, I have a better idea. Here, watch this.
A wormhole is essentially a shortcut through space-time that allows us to travel across great distances almost instantaneously. When a wormhole's trajectory passes too close to a star, however, a large enough solar flare can interfere with the time part of that equation, and in some cases, as shown here, it can actually cause the wormhole to loop back around to the same gate where it reconnects in either the past or the future.
That is mind-boggling.
Really? Seems simple enough to me.
So, anyway, TJ is working with the Venom right now and will hopefully be able to come up with some kind of cure before anybody gets too sick.
Dr. Volker and Chloe are already not feeling well.
All I can say is thank you to future Scott for sacrificing yourself to try to save us.
Well, it was nothing for me. Apparently, future me died pretty horribly, so I guess I have future me to thank too.
Fact is, a lot of us are starting to wonder if things are ever going to settle down around here. I mean, before all this happened, I thought that I was going to die of boredom. Now, a day without facing imminent death would be nice.
Amen to that.